friends, my name is Maylin and welcome back to my channel. I am a flutist, music teacher, and performer located in the city of Kamloops, British Columbia, and this is my channel where we learn all things flute. So thank you so much for joining me here today. In this video, I'll be teaching you a very easy melody for Happy Birthday for Beginners for flute. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. As always, if you have any questions throughout the video, please feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. I try my best to answer them once I see them. And also, if you do have any issues when it comes to practicing, feel free to check out my free practice guide, also located in the description down below. It gives you 8 easy steps to follow to help you to structure your practice sessions, as well as to help you create some musical goals for yourself. So let's just get right into today's video. Alright, so the melody that I'll be taking is just a transcription from 8 notes. So if you do want a link to the sheet music, I'm actually going to be putting it down below. But I'm going to simplify that one a little bit more already than it is. So I'm going to put that right over here. So we are always going to start with our key signature and our time signature. So in this one, we are in 3/4. So that means you have 3/4 notes per measure. So that's 3 beats per bar. We are starting with F major. So that means that all of our B's are going to be flat. We are starting on a pickup bar. So that means that we are starting on the 3rd beat. So we're going to do a nice clapping count. We'll do it with a metronome just so that it's a little bit easier for you to clap along. But once you get used to it, feel free to take away the metronome and try playing it by yourself. So I'm going to be putting the metronome here at a 1/4 note equals 70. Feel free to sing along when we clap it. So I'm going to give you 1 bar for nothing, and then we'll come in on the 3rd beat. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is where you would hold it for as long as you want. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, very good. So that should be pretty straightforward. You should already have a good idea of what the melody sounds like just because it is such a famous song. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play that melody for you on the flute with the metronome so that you can practice this along with me when you're learning this. Again, if you have any questions with the notes, feel free to ask me and I'll put them in the description down below. 1, 2, 3, 1. Very good. So one of the tricky sections that I would look for would be definitely at bar 5 when we do have that octave jump. So just make sure that you do have enough air to go all the way up to that high C. So that's going to be it for today's video. Really nice and short. As always, if you do have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. I always like to answer them as soon as I see them. And of course, if you do have issues with practicing, feel free to check out my free practice guide. Also, if you do like this video, definitely feel free to press the like to let me know that you like videos just like this. And also to subscribe for more videos just like this one. As always, you are wonderful and you are loved and you are special for you just being yourself. So thank you so much for joining me here today, and as always, happy fluting!